Customer states, I have a check engine light on. Yeah, I bet. Mm, 2024 Raptor with 42,000 miles. I don't think it's ever had an oil change.
Customer states they only want an oil change and that they don't need anything extra.
That's not good.
So how do you like your clutch? Deep fried. Woo! Tried all that, didn't he?
Prime example of how not to install a rear main seal. One with the lip on the wrong way. And then, yeah, we'll just smear some RTV around it. That's gonna seal beautifully. It's the correct, correct position. And given these seals have to sit for 4 hours once installed before you even turn it. Ah, no wonder it was leaking after they did it.
Customer states, I think my water pump is bad, and man, were they right.
So we went and picked this one up, and I managed to drive it onto my trailer. It dumped its oil everywhere, but so we're finding lots of little bits of treasure. But I don't know if you can see down there. That there is a con rod. Oh my god. I think I can actually get that out. Oh my god. That has completely ejected that con rod. Big end first, out of the block. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, voila. I don't know if I've ever pulled a con rod out of a block before while the motor was still in there. Oh my.
Mechanic lifted this customer's car and then heard a loud thunk. The customer proceeded to drive home with it like this. Customer wanted their center console replaced as it was damaged, and when removing the old one, the mechanic found this hidden compartment under it. It went quite far down into the tunnel, so the mechanic told the customer to get their money back as it's been structurally compromised.
Customer states cabin talk function is not working. Please check and advise. Is cabin talk working? Cabin talk not working. Let's turn the volume up on that. Set it to max. Hey guys, I think you can hear me now.
This mechanic's buddy rigged up this interesting solution after some wires had melted by his ignition. Customer states that their vehicle has been stalling at random times.
2012 BMW 328i convertible. Customer states, I kept jump starting my car and now none of my windows work. Can confirm. Turn signals don't work. So we go into the old Snapperoonie footwell control module. Oh yeah. How expensive is it now? Should have just put a battery in it.
Mechanic states that this is the nastiest car they've ever seen, and it had apparently been coming in for the last 5 years. What I don't get is how everything that gets touched often seems to be deteriorating. Customer states, I just need my spare put on. The mechanic asked how it had happened, and they said they slightly clipped the edge of a pothole.
Well, girls and guys, it is another day and yet another what the hell was someone thinking. Customers dropped their M3 off for a service. It's an E92 M3 in blue. It's a very, very nice car, but it just didn't feel quite right when I was driving it in. And here's why. Just doing our regular checks. Just recently had this some pads fitted and they left the bloody wheel loose. That is Just stunning work from whoever did that one. Doesn't really hurt to get a torque wrench out, does it? So now we've got to go over and check every single thing. Luckily the other three wheels are fine, but this one, bad.
Customer state for dealership, forget to install caliper. This one.
This fire truck rolled in from a different department with the complaint that it pops out a pump. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know what that means, but I do know that a transfer case shouldn't be where the water's coming out from. The most surprising thing about the spark plug is that it wasn't the cause of the customer's misfire.
That's not supposed to look like that.
Here is your seasonal reminder to change out your winter blinker fluid to the summer fluid.
So this guy was lucky. So this goes to the fuel pump. We chewed through the fuel pump, or the fuel level sensor wires, and we just about got through one of the wires going to the fuel pump itself. Pretty sure that's the power wire, and then that's the ground, but there's only a few strands between this guy driving his truck and this guy getting needed in tow.
Customer states they had a blowout on the motorway. Yes, that is someone else's extremely worn brake pad that must have fallen out. Mechanic found this advanced catalytic converter protector hiding in this customer's engine bay. Unfortunately, they didn't say if they adopted it or not.
Customer states vibration in steering wheel. Yeah, I believe him.
This 2011 Ford Fiesta rolled in on dollies, and you'll soon see why, but there's no way I'd be trusting it up on that lift as much as this mechanic was.
Okay, turn it off.
This vehicle came in as it was having some electrical issues, but really stumped the mechanic when it refused to turn off. It turned out it was due to faulty wiring in the trunk, and the car doesn't actually need the battery connected once it's been started up.
I'm going to try and get a video of this, but customer states, I replaced my AC condenser, but there's practically no cooling fins in this thing whatsoever. Oh, there's some up there, but down there, there's no cooling fins. Where did you even get this condenser?
Customer states, there's a loud clunk when they shift the transmission into reverse.
Well, fix my exhaust. So, there we go. That'll do it. That'll do it. Good enough, right?
Customer states they can feel a vibration whenever they go over 60 miles per hour. At least it's chipping off easily, unlike the concrete trucks. Customer rolled in for 2 new tyres with the interior looking like this. The mechanic was just happy that it didn't smell terrible, but did say everything was sticky and gross.
That's awesome. What about this one back here? Oh, that one's even better. What about that one? Or even better, that one. All 4 cams. Nope. Getting an engine.
We've all seen cars blow smoke, but I bet you've never seen an EcoBoost blowing smoke rings.
He's on a call right now, but he texted.
This was an aftermarket control arm that, as you can see, failed. The pinch bolt was tight, and the manufacturer is going to warranty the part.
Now, customer reports she was driving through Milton Keynes, or Milton Keynes for the people that are local, hit a speed bump but didn't see it until the last second, and ever since then it just doesn't feel right. Now, this was yesterday and she just dropped the car off to us, and I've took it for a test drive and it don't feel right. The bush is no bush. Look at that. So for context, peeps, I mean, that one's not in much better condition, but at least it's still like connected. The whole center has gone missing. I don't know where it's gone. So, yeah.
Can somebody tell me if this is accurate? Apparently, Irish Spring soap keeps rodents away. Did they put it in the other side? Yep. Now that's what you call commitment.
Customer states the rear of the vehicle feels like it's swaying a bit. This customer was complaining that the air conditioning felt like it was barely working even when on the max setting. Thanks for watching another episode of Mechanical Nightmare. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. If you have your own clip, you can send it to us using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode.